Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tasha, and I'm gonna be reviewing some contact lenses from Coleyes. This is really exciting because back in high school I used to love wearing contacts. For some reason I'd always buy gray contacts. It was just like a little mini era in my life. When they reached out to me, I was like, let me get some gray contacts to see if the spark comes back. But I wanted to try them out for my girlies, you know, for who have darker eyes, who want to see if contact lenses are their thing. And I wanted to see if I can get them as natural looking as possible. But you can also get contacts for occasions like Halloween, and just if you like to just have like a different look, like an alter ego type of thing, then trying out something like this just to switch up the vibe is a good idea. What I like about these is that they are super affordable. We're gonna test and see how it's like putting it on, how it's gonna look like on my darker eyes. I got 4 pairs of lenses. We got the color, I was trying to pronounce this. I think it's eclat gray, E-C-L-A-T, okay, eclat gray. We got No Makeup Monday blue. That's gonna be interesting. We got Queen Card brown. I believe I picked that one, and I think I picked that that gray one. Did I, or did I pick the green? I can't even remember. And this is the profound green. I'm just gonna be washing my hands over again, even though I already washed them. You always want to make sure your hands are clean when you're applying contact lenses. You also want to buy some solution so that you can rinse off your contact lenses. It does come with a little bit of solution already in the pack, just to keep bacteria out of it and just to keep it clean. And of course, there will be a discount code available for you guys in the description below where you can save, because you know I'm all about saving and being on a budget. If you want to purchase any of these contact lenses, it will be in my description below. You're going to use the code TA, T-A. You're buying 2 and you're getting 3 free. And you can also use the code TA20 for a 20% off discount. All the details, like I said, will be down below. I think I'm gonna try the profound green first. Oh, this is exciting. So I want you just to look at my eyes in the beginning, how they look. I have dark brown eyes, okay, like my eyes are really dark, so that's why I really wanted to see how these will actually look on my dark eyeballs. Oh, and it comes with the case so that you can store your lenses. So there's 1 lens in each, so I'm going to show you a comparison. Like I said, it's been a while since I put contacts in my eyes, eh? I feel like a lot of people, they don't wear contact lenses because they feel like it's such a hassle or it's gonna hurt. Even though my eyes are dark, you can see the green. My eye seems a little bit watery. First time I'm putting in contacts for so long, but I think they're so cute. So if you're wondering, because your eyes are darker, if you're going to see, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see the color. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on the other side so we can get the full effect going here. Let me just tell you, this eye may seem a little bit watery because some of the things that could happen, like what I just did, you could accidentally flip the lens the wrong way. I think I took it out bad, but then I flipped it back around and it's fine now. So you just want to make sure that you have the lens in the right way. So if you realize this is annoying, it could be like what I did and you just flip the lens and you put it in the wrong way, because then it's going to feel off. But this is how they look like. They're not as natural as, you know, I thought they might look, but I do like the color. It's pretty, it's different, but they feel comfortable. They look cute, but they do come off really green. So even if your eyes are dark, you're gonna see the difference. They're also pretty easy to come out. It's nothing hard. Okay, I think I'm gonna tone it down a little bit, this one. Because that was like so bright colored. I want to keep it a little bit more natural, so I'm gonna try the Queen Card brown. I'm excited for this one. And this is what it looks like in the package. It's a little bit more darker on the outside. This is what the brown is looking like. Do you see the difference? The brown comes out a lot. I'm shocked. I felt like it would have been a little bit more darker, but you can clearly see the difference. It's not as drastic as the last one, so if you're looking for something more subtle, then a color like this is what you would go for. So I'm just gonna put on both sides so that you can see. Listen, if you're new to putting on contact lenses, your eyes may water up a bit because this is new to you, and plus just the solution and everything is gonna make your eye be a little bit teary. But this is how they look like. I really like these ones. They're a bit more natural than the other ones. It's just a subtle brown color. It's so pretty. Yeah, they're cute. They're cute and they go with my pants. You can't see my pants, but my pants are like the same color as these. So now we're gonna be trying the No Makeup Monday Blue. I have a feeling that these are gonna be a little bit more dramatic than the last one. If you like these types of color contact lenses, just know that on your darker colored eyes you're gonna see the color on it, especially if your eyes are dark like mine. You're gonna see a difference. This is how No Makeup Monday Blue is looking. You can clearly see the blue. Even though my eye is really dark here, when I put the blue contact lens in, you can tell that I'm wearing blue contacts. Okay guys, so this is how they look like on both eyes. I think I like these ones better than the first ones, and the blue does stand out a lot even though my eyes are dark, as you can see. So next we're going to try on the gray ones. I feel like these are all shocking color lenses, but I really wanted to see how the color would stand out on darker colored eyes. But there are a lot of more natural color contacts found on the website. You just have to scroll through. There's so many to pick from, and the last one I'm going to try on is the Eclat Gray. This is how this color gray looks like in my eyes. There are other color grays. This is the Eclat Gray. Okay, so this is how they look in my eyes. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this gray? Let me know in the comments which pair you guys actually like the best, so that I know which one to rock the most, because I put these ones on last because I wanted to wear the gray ones today. If you guys really like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up if it was informative. So this is how the contacts look from Coleyes. If you're buying colored contacts, just know that you can actually see the color even if you have really dark eyes like mine. And this is just how they look like, you know, on girls that have darker skin tone. You're just wondering if it's going to suit you, if it's going to suit your skin tone, how the bright colors may show up on your eyes if you have darker colored eyes. This is the end of my video, guys. I really hope that it really helped you out. Don't forget to check out my description box so that you can see your codes that you can use to get your discount. All the colors that I wore today will also be in the description box. That's the end of my video, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.